In this video, we're going to talk about how to solve simultaneous linear equation using the elimination method. So, first of all, we name our equation, say equation 1, and then this equation 2. Okay, so the next step is to eliminate a variable of either x or y. Now, there's something I want you to know before we jump into this. So let's say this 3x plus 4y is equal to 9. So this is called a coefficient. A coefficient. Okay, and then this is called a variable. Okay, so the same thing for here. 4 is called a coefficient, and then y is called a variable. So this is called a constant. Okay, so note, in elimination method, your goal is to make the coefficient of a variable, like say x here. You want to make, say for example, you pick x. You want to make x, the coefficient of x, the same for the two equations. Okay, or say you pick y, you may want to make y, the coefficient of y, the same for the two equations. Okay, so in this case, if you notice, for the x, the 3 and 3 is not equal to 2, so we cannot just directly eliminate it. And then in this case, 4 is not equal to 3, so we cannot just directly eliminate it. Now the thing to do to make, we have to pick a variable to eliminate. Okay, so let's pick x. So if you pick x, we will multiply this equation by 2, and then if you pick, we multiply this equation by 3. So we did it because we wanted to make the coefficient of x on the two equations the same. So if we were to multiply this equation by 2, that's coefficient of this equation by coefficient of the equation 2, use it to multiply equation 1, and then coefficient of equation 1, use it to multiply equation 2. Okay, that's why I multiplied them by 2 and 3. So the new equations we have is 2 times 3 is 6x. 6x plus 2 times 8y is 4y is 8y. So 2 times 9 is 18. So next up, we have 3 times 2x. So this is 6x plus 3 times 3y. So this is 9y plus is equal to 3 times 8. So this is 24. Okay, so next up, we want to eliminate the coefficient of x. How do you eliminate 6x and 6x? Okay, so you basically subtract plus 6x minus 6x from each other. Okay, so I'll be subtracting the two equations to eliminate x. Okay, so this is basically saying 6x minus 6x is 0. And then this is basically saying 8 minus 9. Okay, 8 minus plus 9 is still the same as 8 minus 9. So this is minus y. And then here we have 18 minus 24. Okay, so this is minus 6. So this implies that y, dividing both sides by minus 1, you have minus 6 over minus 1. So this is equal to 6. Okay, so to get, let's call this equation 3, and let's call this equation 4. So to get our value of x, we can pick any of the above equations and solve, okay, for the value of x. So this is, let's pick equation 2. So this is 2x from equation 2. So this is 2x plus 3y is equal to 8. So from here on out, you have 2 open brackets 2x and 2 open bracket plus 3 open brackets 6 is equal to 8. So this 2x plus 18 is equal to 8. Okay, so 18 moves over to the other side, positive will turn to negative. So you have 2x is equal to 8 minus 18. So this implies that x divided by 2x is equal to minus 10. Okay, so for our value of x, we know that x is equal to minus 10 divided by 2. So x minus 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5 minus 5. Okay, so this means that for our y is equal to 6 and then x is equal to minus 5. Okay, so that's how to solve simultaneous linear equation using the elimination method. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, leave a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel.